You didn't come here to scroll. You came to claim something real. While the world chases noise, you choose clarity. At HCF Estate, one tap doesn't book a trip. It secures an asset. You select Indonesia, and you step into ownership. No paperwork, no brokers, no borders. Your portfolio is now geo-diversified, digitally governed, revenue-backed. This isn't fantasy, it's fractional. You hold architecture like equity, location like leverage. Because control isn't loud, it's precise. HCF Estate, we rebuilt real estate. Not for tourists, but tacticians. Where do you want to wake up next? Own a piece of the world in 60 seconds.